Okay, we're doing another non-calculator maths pickle puzzle. How many of the following are factors of 2025? And the numbers are 15, 25, 45, 75, and 225. To do this, we want to do something called prime factor decomposition. So we're going to take 2025 and we're going to work out what its prime factors are. So what prime numbers do we use to make it? So we know that 5 goes into it because it ends with a 5. So how many times does 5 go into it? Don't be afraid to get the bus stop out. So 2025, here we are. 5 does not go into 2, carry the 2. 5 goes into 20, 4 times. 5 does not go into 2 again, so we're going to put a 0 there this time. Carry a 2. So 5 goes into 2025 405 times. So it's 5 times by 405. 5 is prime, so we stop there. And we do the same thing. What number goes into 405? Well, I can tell you 5 does, because it ends with a 5 again. 405, same thing. Does 5 go into 4? No. Does 5 go into 40? Yes, 8 times exactly. Does 5 go into 5? Yep, 1 time, 81. So 5 times by 81 would give me 405. 81 is made by doing 9 times by 9. And then is 9 prime? Nah, it's got 2 factors, which are 3 and 3, 3 and 3. So we now know that 2025, or 2025, is the same as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. And I know someone's going to say, you can say 3 to the power 4 times by 5 squared. Yeah, I know. But I'm just telling you. Now, what numbers can we make out of that factor list using these numbers here? Well, I can make 15. 15 is 3 times by 5. So 15 is a factor. Okay, can I make 25? Yes, that's 5 times 5. 25 is 5 times 5. So we can make those two. 45. Yes, 45 is going to be 3 times 3, which is 9 times by 5. So that's 3 times 3 times 5. Can I make 75? Yes, I can make 75. 75 is made by doing 3 times by 5 times by 5. Because 5 times 5 is 25. Times that by 3, we get 75. And can I make 225? Now you should know your square numbers. 225 is 15 squared. Can I make 15? Can I make it twice? Yes, I can. It's going to be 225 equals 3 times 5 times by 3 times 5. Okay. So the answer is E. We can do it with all 5 of them. Okay. Pause.